Hey everyone, ever thought about earning some crypto just by inviting your friends? Well, today we're going to break down the Referral Utsav 2026 promotion, step by step. Let's get right into it. So, what's all the buzz about? Get this, there's a massive 36 lakh rupees in USDT token vouchers up for grabs. Yeah, you heard that right. That is a huge prize pool and a pretty amazing reason to get your friends on board. And you know, this quote really captures the whole vibe of the campaign. It's all about building a community and sharing in the success. This isn't just about you earning, it's about growing the whole crypto space with people you actually know. Okay, quick heads up. This whole thing is happening fast. It's a super short promotion. You've basically got just 1 week at the very end of January to make it happen. So yeah, the clock is definitely ticking on this one. All right, first things first. Before you start firing off invites to everyone you know, we got to cover the ground rules. Let's figure out who can actually jump in on this.
It's a really simple question, but it's also a super crucial one. See, this promotion isn't for everybody. It's for a specific group. So let's make sure you and your friends actually tick all the boxes before you go any further.
Okay, here's your checklist. It's pretty straightforward. Both you and your friend need to be verified users, and you both have to be from India. But here's the step people always forget. You have to go to the activity page and click that register button to opt in. Seriously, don't miss that step. Perfect, so if you're eligible, let's get to the main event, the step-by-step guide. We're going to walk through exactly what you and your friend need to do to qualify for those rewards.
From a bird's eye view, it really just boils down to these 3 simple tasks. Your friend gets verified, you send them a little crypto to get them started, and then they make their first trade. Now, let's look at who's responsible for what.
This slide makes it crystal clear. So your friend, the referee, handles their own KYC verification and then buys at least $5 worth of crypto. Your job, as the referrer, is even simpler. You just need to send them at least 5 USDT using Binance Pay. And if you've never used it, don't worry, it's so easy. In the app, you just find Binance Pay, hit send, and pop in your friend's email or phone number. It's a total team effort. Okay, you've done the work, you've teamed up with your friend, so what's the payoff? Let's talk about the rewards and, just as important, the limits that you really need to know about. And here it is, the reward breakdown. For every single successful referral, you get a 1,000 rupee voucher, and your friend gets a nice little 100 rupee welcome bonus. But look closely at that max referrals column. You can earn up to 3,000 rupees in total from 3 successful referrals. 3. That is the magic number here. Remember it. You'll only get rewards for the first 3 friends who successfully complete all the steps. So you'll want to focus on quality over quantity for this one.
And that quality needs to be fast, because this right here is probably the most important rule of the whole game. It is a race. Rewards are first come, first served. You and your friend have to get all those tasks done before that 36 lakh reward pool is empty. So speed is absolutely everything. Here's a little pro tip. Talk to your friends beforehand. Get them ready to sign up and verify before you even send the funds, so the whole process is lightning fast. Waiting till the last minute is probably a bad idea. That pool might be long gone.
Beyond that race against the clock, there are a few more terms and conditions we need to go over, just to make sure you're all set and everything goes smoothly. The question everyone asks as soon as a promotion ends. So, where's my stuff? Let's get the answer to that right now so you know exactly what to expect.
Here you go, your reward timeline. You might want to mark your calendar for this. Rewards will land by mid-March. You'll need to go into your profile, then the rewards hub to claim them. And you only have 30 days to do it before they expire. Don't let that happen.
And of course, it goes without saying, but fair play is a must. Any attempts to game the system, things like wash trading or making a bunch of fake accounts, will get you disqualified immediately. The whole point is to bring in genuine new users. For all the other regular terms and conditions, just check out the link on the promotions activity page.
All right, let's shift gears for a moment and talk about something really important. Anytime we're dealing with crypto, it's absolutely vital that we talk about the risks involved. This isn't just a game. We're talking about real assets. You know, at the very heart of crypto risk is this thing called price volatility. It just means the value of your assets can shoot up or drop down, sometimes really, really fast. And you just have to be prepared for that. What your friend buys for $5 one day could be worth more or less the very next.
And these are the key takeaways from the official disclaimer. At the end of the day, you and your friend are the only ones responsible for your decisions. This explainer is just for information. It's not financial advice. And always remember, just because an asset did well in the past, that's no guarantee for the future.
And as the source material puts it perfectly, you should only invest in products you are familiar with and where you understand the risks. Honestly, those are words to live by in the crypto world.
So the question is, are you ready to share and earn, but to do it responsibly? Referral Utsav 2026 is a really cool opportunity for sure, but just remember to play by the rules and, most importantly, trade smart. Thanks for tuning in.